Welcome back to Healing Naturally. In today's video, we're diving into 5 powerful herbs that can help strengthen your immune system naturally. With so many viruses, seasonal bugs, and daily stressors out there, keeping your immune system resilient is key. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share how to incorporate these herbs into your daily routine. Your immune system is your body's defense army. While a balanced diet, exercise, and good sleep all play vital roles, herbs can provide concentrated compounds that support your body's ability to fight off infections, reduce inflammation, and recover faster. These remedies have been used for centuries across cultures, and modern research is starting to catch up. Let's start with echinacea. Often called the purple coneflower, echinacea has long been used by Native American tribes. Studies suggest it may increase the number of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. It's commonly taken at the first sign of a cold or flu. You can find it in teas, tinctures, or capsules. For prevention, some people take it daily during cold and flu season. Next up is elderberry. These dark purple berries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins, especially vitamin C. Elderberry syrup is famous for reducing the duration of colds and flu. Research indicates it may stop viruses from attaching to your cells. You'll often see it as a syrup, gummy, or tea. Just make sure it's properly prepared. Raw elderberries can be toxic. Third is astragalus, a root used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. It's considered an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body cope with stress while strengthening immunity. Astragalus is thought to stimulate the production of immune cells and antibodies. It's usually taken as a tea, capsule, or simmered into soups for a slow, nourishing release. Fourth on our list is garlic. Yes, the same garlic you cook with. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which has strong antimicrobial and immune-boosting effects. Studies show regular garlic consumption may reduce the likelihood of catching a cold and shorten recovery time. Eating it raw provides the strongest benefit, but cooked garlic still packs immune-supporting properties. And finally, ginger. Known for its warming qualities, ginger helps reduce inflammation and supports circulation, which in turn helps immune cells move effectively through your body. It also eases digestive upset, which is important because gut health plays a big role in immunity. Enjoy it fresh in tea, add it to stir-fries, or try it in smoothies. So, how do you bring these herbs into your life without feeling overwhelmed? Here are some simple ideas. Rotate teas. Echinacea tea one day, ginger tea the next. Add fresh garlic and ginger into your meals daily. Keep a bottle of elderberry syrup in your fridge during flu season. Use astragalus powder in soup broths for a subtle immune boost. Consistency is more important than taking everything at once. Small daily habits build stronger defenses over time. That's our top 5 herbs for immune support: echinacea, elderberry, astragalus, garlic, and ginger. Which one is your favorite, or which herb are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who wants to strengthen their immune system naturally. And of course, subscribe to Healing Naturally for more evidence-based tips on natural health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.